Welcome back, Ink Chasers. This video is going to be the pack openings from Caleb's contest wins. I got the packs here. I think I'm going to bust these open and take a look at them, see what we got. This top one here, I did notice that it seems to be pretty stuck together, so I'm not expecting a whole lot from it, if anything. The rest of them seem to be pretty good, so I'm going to start with this one. Try to get the bad news out of the way first. I do see there's a Vladimir Guerrero, but looking in the package, it seems like it's already trying to rip and get stuck to the package. So again, like I said, I'm not expecting much from this one, but either way, we'll see what we get and if we can salvage any of them. Yeah, see, it just kind of ripped the corner right off there, but it's okay, and all stuck together, so I don't know what's going on with these. Yeah, they're not coming apart. Ugh. There's a King Griffey Jr. on top. Yeah, I don't think I'm even gonna mess with these, because even if I do get them apart, they're not going to be in any shape. We'll just set those aside and go on to the next one. This one here is the 93 Donruss Triple Play. Did pick up several of these back whenever they were out, but don't have too many left. Got a Curt Schilling. Let me see if I can move my camera down a little bit. Here we go. Jeff Montgomery, Al Martin, BJ Surhoff, in action ALCS versus Chris Hoiles, Mark Grace, Tom Bernansky, several that I see already that are good TTM cards. So Tony Phillips, Ozzie Guillen, Oral Hershiser, Mile High Stadium, that's kind of cool. That was before Coors Field was finished. And then an awesome action, Mark McGwire and Brian Harper. I kept trying to think Bryce Harper. I know that wasn't right. Alright, 93 Fleer Ultra, Series 2. Alright, we got here Scott Hammond, Kevin Young, rookie card. Another Brian Harper, Kurt Caskell, Randy Knorr, Bob McClure, Mike Sharpenson, Bruce Hurst, Chris Carpenter. I know he's a good signer, so that one should be going out soon. Raul Mondesi, Chris Hammond, Mike Stanley. I've got some going to him soon. And Willie Banks. That's all those. These are the 95 Pinnacle Series 2 that he had in his Wax Pack Challenge. So I know these are stick together pretty well. So we'll try and crack these open before opening them. Having a hard time with these packs today. Alright, Tim Salmon, Brian Jordan, Glenn Allen Hill, Jeff Bagwell, Gary Gaetti, Luis Polonia, Ron Darling, Jim Bullinger, Moises Alou. Oh, this is interesting. Cal Ripken Jr. This card entitles you to a 1995 Team Pinnacle Collector Pin. It's in $1.95. I wonder if that's expired. Yep, offers expire November 15th. Oh well. Was this Ronald White, Brett Saberhagen, this video is going a little bit longer than I was expecting, just because I wasn't expecting all of them to be stuck as bad. But after this, they should be pretty free because all of them are tops. Another Jeff Bagwell, Javi Lopez, Paul Molitor, Garrett Anderson, Madre Cummings, Tim Raines. Is it Hector Fajardo? It's a Ranger from my PC. Carlos Delgado. Checklist. Scott Erickson. Just got him back TTM not too long ago. Hal McRae. Oh, sorry, Brian McRae. And this one here, Will Cordero. Last one of the 95 Pinnacles. Try to get these apart a little bit. There we go. Todd Benzinger. Here's an A-Rod. Jimmy Key. Lenny Dykstra. Albert Bell. Mark Gubicza. Mel Neves. Mike Lansing. Dave Magadan. Kirby Puckett. And John Jaha. Oh, one more. Ozzie Smith. Mid backflip. It's kind of cool. Alright, on to 91 tops. I will not be eating this gum. Got a little, another contest entry form there. Oh, flip these over. Got Brett Main, Dave Winfield, Julio Varga, Tim Naring, Brian Barnes, Stan Javier, Barry Bonds, Dave LaPointe, Renee Gonzalez, Kevin Apier, Chuck Finley, Dave Cohn, Dennis Rasmus, Vaughn Hayes, and Tom Bernansky. This one is a 93 Top Series 2. We got Dusty Baker and CeeDee Augustin, manager's card. Alex Arias. 92 Topps All-Stars, Greg Maddux, Roger Clemens. 92 draft pick, Brian Sexton. Yeah, I don't know. What's this? Marlins. I can't even see what those say. Gavin Baugh and Pat Leahy. There's a gold foil insert. Terry Leach, Greg Gagne, I don't know. Different people tell me different things on that one. Greg Harris, Craig Shipley, Steve Horsey, Willie Green, Scott Aldred, Lance Blankenship, Dave West, and Jeff Brantley. And then the 87 Topps hanger. I guess it's called a hanger pack. I don't know. Open these up here. Again, this is one of my favorite sets out there. Jack Howe, Butch Weiger, Joe Carter, Jack Clark, John Candelucci, Daryl Montley, Tom Hinkie, Ken Schrom, Bill Allman, Hal McRae, and Sean Dunston. See, there's Hal McRae. Earlier I had his son, Brian McRae. Got them mixed up. I was just foreshadowing, that's alright. Alright, next section here. A's leaders. Doug Corbett, Pat Corrales, Dennis Powell, Dave Righetti, Bill Gillickson, Jim Williams, Lynn Suk, Bobby Metcham, Carmen Castillo, Jim Fregosi, Dwight Lau, Tom Kelly, Chris Spear, Andy Allison, Mike Lacoste, Padres leaders. Last section here. If I can get it open. Alright. Wally Joyner, Steve Sachs, Ed Romero, Jerry Harrison, Mark Langston, Bob Kemper, Davey Lopes, Juan Benziquez, I don't know, Don Robinson, Al Newman, Carlton Fisk, Alan Trammell, Mike Witt, Willie Randolph, Tom Hume, Robin Yount, and Steve Farr. Again, Caleb, thanks again for the contest. Thanks for the wins. Congratulations to everybody else who won in his contest. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.